Children, welcome back to today's class. Children, this class our topic is unemployment. You know what is unemployment? Unemployment refers to a situation when people who are willing to work at the ongoing wages cannot find jobs. Unemployment refers to a situation when people who are ready to do the work. But what problem is there? They are not getting any jobs. In that situation is called unemployment. Unemployment refers to a situation when people who are willing to work at the ongoing wages cannot find jobs. Okay. And these unemployment groups come between the age between 15 to 59. Okay, children. Classification of unemployment. Unemployment can be classified as seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, educated unemployment. Unemployment can be classified as seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, and educated unemployment. You know, this seasonal and disguised unemployment where we can see? We can see in the rural area. Where we can see this type of unemployment? That is, this type of means the seasonal and disguised type of unemployment in the rural area. Then, where we can see educated unemployment? That is in urban area. Okay, children. Unemployment can be classified as seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, and educated unemployment. Seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment we can see in the rural area. And educated unemployment we can see in the urban area. Let's see. What is seasonal unemployment? What is disguised unemployment? And what is educated unemployment? Okay. Classification of unemployment in rural India. In rural India, which all are the unemployment we can see, children? We can see seasonal unemployment. That means that seasonal and disguised unemployment. First we can see what is that seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment means it happens when people are not able to find job during some months of the year. Okay, in a year, in some month, people will not have any job. That means in the off season. In that time, people will not get any job. In that time, that type of unemployment is called seasonal unemployment. In a year, in a particular season, in a particular month, the people will the people are not able to find a job. The people will not get any job. Okay, that type of unemployments are called what? Seasonal unemployment. You know, where we can see this seasonal unemployment? In the rural area. In the rural area, in which area, in which activity we can see this type of unemployment? That is in agriculture. It is a seasonal activity. Is it, children? After the harvesting, the people are not able to find a job. For a few months, they will not get any job. That is why that is seasonal unemployment we can see in the rural area. Then next one is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment means more people are engaged in a work than required. That means for doing one work, we need 5 people. But how many people are there? There are 10 people. Actually, how many people we need, children? Only 5 people we need. But how many are there for doing that work? 10 people are there. That means we need only 5. Then how many extra are there? Extra 5 also there. That extra 5, actually they are not doing any work. They are doing any work. We need that extra 5 people also. No need. If they are not there, the production, it will not affect our production. We need only 5. If we leaving that extra 5 people from that area, the production, it will not affect the production of that product. That extra people, how many extra people we used in that area, that extra people are called what? Disguised unemployment. More people are engaged in work than required. Clear, children? In the rural India, we can see two type of unemployment. Which all are that? Seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. Seasonal unemployment means people are not able to find job during some months of the year. This is called seasonal unemployment. Then disguised unemployment means more people are engaged in work than required. Okay. Next one, educated unemployment. What is that? Educated unemployment? This type of unemployment happens when many youths with a matriculation, graduation and a post-graduation degree are not able to find job. They have a qualification, they are educated people, but they are not getting any job. This is called educated people. When the educated people cannot find any job, that type of unemployment are called educated unemployment. Okay, then where we can see this educated unemployment? We can see in the urban area. Okay, next, effects of unemployment. Unemployment refers to a situation when people who are willing to work at the ongoing wages cannot find a job. Look, children, what they are doing? Simply sitting. Isn't it? That means they are wasting their lifetime. Okay, unemployment refers to a situation when people who are willing to work at the ongoing wages cannot find a job. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower. People who are an asset for the economy turn into a liability. Unemployment, people, the educated people are ready to do the work, but they are not getting any job opportunities. That means actually when they getting job, they will become a productive. Then it will enhance the national income. Is it, children? But in unemployed persons are the liability of an economy. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources. People who are an asset for the economy turn into a liability. Look, children. How many are walking through a one small wood? Clear, children? It is the liability of that wood. The wood can hold that much people? No. Something will happen there. Is it, children? Sometime it will break. That wood is our economy. Clear, children? Then that population will become liability. Inability of education people who are willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great social waste. Children, in our government spending lot of money for their education. Through the education, he developed his skill. Through that skill, he developed his quality of labor. That quality of labor will enhance the productive capacity of the nation. It will enhance the national income of the nation. But look, children, unemployment, that all the ability will social waste. Look, children, in a one side we are giving water. Well, for the growth of plants, the soil and water is very essential factors. Like that in our government, like in a human matter, we are giving. That means government giving not a water and soil. Instead of water and soil, what our government is giving? Education and health. But the people who are not getting job means, look children, what is the condition of that plant? It is a waste only. Okay. It tends to increase economic overload. How? It will increase the economic only for the education and the health. We are spending money, we investing money, but nothing is getting back. Clear children? It is overload of an economy. The dependence of the unemployment on the working population increases. Working population means who are doing work. And the dependence of the unemployment. If we are not getting job means we will depend whom? We will depend those who are working. And their burden will increase. The quality of life of an individual as well as the society, it adversely affect. Okay children. Look, the economic growth, it is not going straight, it is coming down. Okay. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. When the unemployment number is increasing, what is the meaning of that children? The economy is going down, not going upward. It is coming down. Okay children? Look, the economy is going to collapse. Okay children, these are the problems of unemployment. Okay children. Okay, now I am going to stop here. Okay, see you next time. Thank you all.